Welcome back to CU Coin Value, your ultimate destination for uncovering the hidden treasures in your coin collections. Today, we're diving into a fascinating coin from the Washington Quarter series, the 1987D quarter dollar. This coin isn't just a piece of history, it's a gem with potential value that might surprise you. So, if you've got one lying around, stay tuned because this could be your golden ticket. The 1987D Washington Quarter was minted in Denver, marked by the distinct D mint mark. Part of the beloved Washington Quarter series, this coin was issued during the 1980s, a period known for its robust coin production and some iconic designs in American numismatics. Let's take a step back in time. The Washington Quarter was originally introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th birthday of George Washington, the first president of the United States. By 1987, the quarter had already become a staple in American commerce, but the Denver Mint's 1987 release stands out for its unique qualities, low circulation wear, and collector appeal. In 1987, over 655 million quarters were minted in Denver. While this number seems high, most of these coins were used extensively in daily transactions, leaving very few in pristine condition today. This scarcity of high-grade coins is one reason the 1987D quarter is so sought after by collectors. The design features the iconic profile of George Washington on the obverse, created by John Flanagan, with a majestic eagle on the reverse. Its enduring design makes it a timeless piece. However, what truly makes the 1987D quarter valuable is its condition and rarity in top grades. When we talk about value, condition is everything. Coins graded as MS65 or higher by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC are where the real value lies. Coins in such grades are incredibly rare due to their perfect preservation, virtually untouched by circulation. Now, here's the exciting part. A 1987D Washington Quarter in MS67 condition has sold for as high as $2,200 in past auctions. That's right. This humble coin, often overlooked in change jars, has fetched thousands of dollars from serious collectors. Imagine finding one of these coins in your collection or pocket change. The thrill of discovering a hidden treasure worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars is what makes coin collecting so exciting. So, how do you know if you have a valuable 1987D quarter? Start by examining the coin carefully. Look for coins that appear uncirculated with no scratches, wear, or discoloration. If you think your coin is in exceptional condition, it's worth getting it professionally graded. Preservation is key. If you find a potential gem, store it in a protective coin holder to prevent damage. Every little scratch or mark can significantly reduce its value. The beauty of coin collecting is that anyone can participate. You don't need to be an expert to start, just curiosity and a willingness to explore. And who knows? Your 1987D quarter could be the next big discovery. Many collectors have shared stories of finding valuable coins in unexpected places, like old piggy banks, coin rolls, or even change received at a store. Your coin could be next on the list of incredible finds. Now, you might wonder, is the 1987D quarter always worth thousands? While most are worth face value, those in mint state conditions or with unique errors can command premium prices. Even if yours isn't worth thousands, it can still be a valuable addition to your collection. And let's not forget error coins. Misstrikes, off-center coins, or coins with double dies are incredibly rare and can fetch even higher prices than regular mint state coins. Always keep an eye out for these anomalies. If you're serious about discovering the true value of your coin, get it graded. A professional grade not only confirms its authenticity but also significantly boosts its market value. Coins like the 1987D quarter aren't just collectibles, they're investments. High-grade coins have consistently appreciated in value over the years, making them a smart choice for long-term collectors. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. The coin collecting community is vast and welcoming. Join online forums, watch videos, and share your finds. You'll learn so much from fellow enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Go through your coin collections, check your change jars, and see if you have a 1987D Washington Quarter hiding in plain sight. This could be your moment to uncover a hidden treasure. Next up, the 1997 Washington quarter dollar. Yes, this coin might look ordinary to some, but its hidden value and potential to rise in the future make it a must-watch topic for collectors. So, stick around to discover its history, current market value, and how it could become one of the most sought-after coins in the future. The 1997 Washington quarter dollar is a significant piece in American numismatics. Struck at the Denver Mint, the Deej mint mark symbolizes its origin and adds an extra layer of appeal to collectors. This coin represents the last years before the launch of the State Quarters program, making it part of the classic Washington Quarter series. The Washington Quarter was first introduced in 1932 to honor George Washington's 200th birthday. By 1997, this iconic design by John Flanagan was well established. However, coins from this era are increasingly gaining collector interest because of their historical significance and the transition period leading to the modern designs of 1999. While the 1997 quarter may not seem rare at first glance, its value comes from its condition, unique errors, and growing demand among collectors. Coins in uncirculated or pristine condition have already fetched impressive prices at auctions, and the potential for future appreciation is immense. Error coins are the crown jewels of collectors, and the 1997 quarter has its share of intriguing errors. Misstrikes, double dies, or planchet issues can make this coin worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Keep an eye out for these rare variations. The condition or grade of a coin determines its value. Coins graded as MS, mint state, 65 or higher are highly desirable. If your 1997 quarter is in near-perfect condition, it could command a premium price in the market today. In the current market, a standard circulated 1997 quarter is worth around $250 to $300. However, coins in uncirculated condition can sell for $1,000 to $2,000. Meanwhile, those with exceptional grades like MS-67 have fetched over $100 in auctions. At prestigious auctions, rare high-grade specimens of the 1997 quarter have reached prices of $2,500 or more. If an error coin surfaces, the value can skyrocket to several $1,000s, making this an exciting investment for numismatists. So, is the 1997 quarter valuable in the future? Absolutely. As time goes on and fewer pristine specimens remain, their value is bound to increase. Coins with unique errors or high grades could see exponential growth in value. Collecting coins like the 1997 quarter is not just a hobby but also a smart investment. Coins from this era are already becoming harder to find in exceptional condition, which means their value will only grow with time. When compared to other Washington quarters of the same period, the 1997 stands out for its increasing popularity among collectors. Coins with error varieties, like the double die or off-center strikes, are especially valuable. If you're looking to determine whether your 1997 quarter is valuable, check for mint errors, sharp details, and an overall excellent condition. Investing in a good magnifying glass or taking your coin to a professional grader can help you unlock its true value. The numismatic community is buzzing about coins from the 1990s, especially as younger collectors enter the market. This surge in demand is another factor driving up the value of coins like the 1997 quarter. If you have a 1997 quarter, don't underestimate its potential. Coins from this era are historical treasures, and even a seemingly common quarter could become a significant collectible in the future. If you're considering selling your 1997 quarter, make sure to get it appraised. Coins with errors or high grades can fetch much higher prices than you'd expect, especially if sold through online platforms or at specialized auctions. To maximize the value of your coin, store it in a protective case away from moisture and dirt. Proper care can significantly impact the coin's future market value. Engage with other coin enthusiasts and forums to stay updated on market trends and learn more about what makes the 1997 quarter so special. The best time to start collecting is now. Coins like the 1997 quarter are gaining attention, and their value is likely to climb as collectors recognize their historical and monetary significance. Did you know that over 500 million Washington quarters were minted in 1997 at the Denver Mint? While that sounds like a lot, finding one in perfect condition or with errors is a real challenge, making it a thrilling hunt for collectors. Every coin tells a story, and the 1997 D quarter is no exception. It's a reminder of America's rich history and the value of preserving small treasures that could turn into big rewards. Next up, the 1990 D Washington quarter dollar. If you've been holding onto this coin, you might just have a hidden treasure in your hands. In this video, we'll uncover its history, current value, why it's valuable, and the potential it holds for the future. Stick with us to the end, you won't want to miss this. The 1990 D quarter dollar is more than just a piece of currency. It's a part of American history. With its D mint mark indicating it was struck at the Denver Mint, this coin is sought after for its potential rarity, condition, and growing popularity among collectors. The Washington Quarter Series, first minted in 1932, honors America's first president, George Washington. By 1990, the iconic design by John Flanagan had become a staple of American coinage. The coin was minted during a time of steady economic growth, reflecting the stability and legacy of the U.S. Mint. The 1990 D quarter was produced for daily transactions, symbolizing trust and value in the U.S. economy. Over 1 billion quarters were minted that year, but finding one in pristine condition today is a challenge, and that's where the value lies. The D mint mark on the 1990 quarter signifies its origin at the Denver Mint. Coins from this mint are often highly sought after by collectors, as they represent a unique geographical production point with its own variations and characteristics. While the 1990 D quarter is not considered rare in the general sense, its value skyrockets when you find one in mint state or with unique errors. Coins graded as MS65 or higher are rare and can command impressive prices in the collector's market. Error coins are the true gems of the numismatic world. The 1990 D quarter is no exception, with potential errors like off-center strikes, double dies, or planchet defects. These errors can make this coin worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In circulated condition, a 1990 D quarter is typically worth $250 to $350. However, uncirculated coins in top grades can fetch anywhere between $500 to $700. Error coins, depending on their rarity and type, have sold for as high as $1,000 or more at auctions. High-grade examples of the 1990 D quarter have made headlines at auctions, with some MS67 coins reaching values of $1,500 to $2,000. Error varieties have sold for even more, proving the coin's strong appeal to collectors. The demand for the 1990 D quarter is growing steadily. Collectors, investors, and history enthusiasts are always on the lookout for coins from this era, especially those in uncirculated or error condition. Online platforms like eBay and specialized auction houses often see fierce bidding wars for this coin. The 1990 D quarter holds value for several reasons: its historical context, its potential for errors, and its scarcity in higher grades. Coins from this period are becoming harder to find in pristine condition, making them a prized addition to any collection. When compared to other Washington quarters, the 1990 D stands out for its growing collector interest. As more people enter the hobby of coin collecting, coins like this one are becoming more valuable and sought after. The value of the 1990 D quarter is expected to rise in the future. Coins from the late 20th century are gaining popularity, and as more collectors recognize their significance, demand will continue to grow. A coin that sells for $50 today might be worth $200 or more in the coming years. If you're lucky enough to own a 1990 D quarter, inspect it carefully for errors or exceptional quality. Submitting it for professional grading can significantly increase its market value. Remember, a high-grade coin is always more valuable than a circulated one. If you're looking to sell your 1990 D quarter, consider auctioning it through platforms like eBay or heritage auctions. Coins with unique features or excellent grades attract a large audience, ensuring you get the best price. To preserve the value of your coin, store it in a coin capsule or holder to protect it from scratches, dirt, and environmental damage. A well-preserved coin is always worth more than one with visible wear and tear. Grading plays a crucial role in determining a coin's value. Coins graded MS65 or higher are rare and can fetch premium prices. If your coin shows sharp details and a flawless surface, it's worth getting it graded by a professional service. Collecting coins like the 1990D quarter is not just a hobby, it's an investment in history and culture. Each coin tells a story, and by owning one, you're preserving a piece of America's legacy. Join coin collecting forums and communities to share your findings and learn from others. The insights you gain can help you identify valuable coins and stay updated on market trends. The 1990D quarter may seem like a small piece of metal, but its potential value and historical importance make it a treasure worth cherishing. Coins like this are reminders of how even the smallest things can hold immense value. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of the 1990D quarter dollar. If you have one of these coins, take a closer look. You might be holding a hidden fortune. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CU Coin Value, and hit the bell icon for more incredible coin stories. Let us know in the comments if you have a 1990D quarter, and stay tuned for more exciting coin discoveries.